You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. In our last episode, we discussed booking, the moment when planning turns into action. Now we're diving into one of the biggest reasons time suddenly feels compressed: customs. Customs is the heartbeat of every international move. It's the system that ensures your belongings enter another country legally and duty-free. But it's also the stage where most of the invisible preparation becomes urgent. Many people assume customer paperwork can be handled after booking or even after packing. In reality, custom requirements shape those steps, not the other way around. Every country has unique documentation requirements, which determine what you can ship, how you can ship, and when you can ship. For example, moving to France requires a change of residence certificate with a French consulate, proof of residence abroad for more than a year, and a signed non-resale declaration. Without that, you'll have to pay duty and tax on your own used furniture, sometimes up to 50% of its declared value. The United Kingdom uses the transfer of residence TOR process. This requires an online application, supporting documents, and custom authorization before your shipment arrives. Without that approval, your goods won't clear the port. In Germany, you must show proof that you've lived outside the EU for at least 12 months and that your goods have been owned and used for more than 6 months. Each rule is slightly different, but they all share one truth: custom planning must begin early. At SDC International Shipping, we start every relocation conversation with customs in mind. Long before packing or scheduling, we help you assemble the right documents: passports, inventories, residency proofs, and official letters, so your custom clearance will go smoothly at your destination. When customs preparation is delayed, it overlaps with packing and shipping cutoffs, turning a calm process into a time crunch. When it's done early, it creates structure, the kind that gives you more rhythm and predictability. We've seen how custom delays can affect families. A missing document can hold up an entire container at the port, generating storage fees and anxiety. But when preparation starts months ahead, the same process feels easy, even graceful. That's why our specialists don't just fill forms. They translate them, validate them, and ensure every signature meets each country's expectations. Our team doesn't view customs as a barrier. We see it as a blueprint for a successful move. The next time you think about your move, ask yourself, what custom steps should already be underway? That question alone can save you weeks of stress. For now, if you'd like to prepare your custom paperwork early, visit our website or give us a call at 877-339-0267.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.